Are you facing issues in your married life? Do you know the principles given to us by Allah and His Prophet, PBUH, that can help us improve our lives? How does Satan take pleasure when he causes disputes between husband and wife? And why do Allah and His Prophet, PBUH, dislike our mutual quarrels? Do you want to know what the rights and duties of men and women are? How can we support each other on the journey of life? In today's video, we will answer all these questions and show you how we can improve our lives in the light of the Quran and Hadith. Stay with us and learn how we can make our lives pleasant and satisfying. In the Quran and Hadith, Allah and His Prophet, PBUH, have informed us about our duties. The duties of both husband and wife have been clearly defined. Each person should be concerned with fulfilling their duties and respecting the rights of the other. In fact, the journey of life continues smoothly when both parties are aware of their duties and respect each other's rights. If everyone focuses on fulfilling the rights of others, life becomes easier and more pleasant. The Prophet Muhammad, PBUH, said that Allah and His Prophet dislike mutual quarrels between husband and wife. Iblis and his minions take special pleasure in causing fights between husband and wife, and these disputes lead to Satan's success. In a hadith, it is mentioned that Iblis sits on his throne in the sea, taking reports of the activities of his minions. When a minion causes a fight between a husband and wife, Iblis happily embraces him and praises him. This is why we should strive to strengthen our mutual relationships and respect each other's rights. The Quran states, Surah An-Nisa 34, men are the protectors and maintainers of women. It should be kept in mind that it is the man's responsibility to manage the affairs of the family. Men and women are the two wheels of the vehicle of life. Both must work together to journey through life. The Prophet, PBUH, said that whenever two people travel, they should appoint one as the leader to avoid disorder in the arrangements. Similarly, in the long journey of life, appointing a leader is essential to maintain order in life. The concept of leadership in Islam is not that the leader is a master and the wife is his servant. Rather, the leader of a community is its servant. It is the man's responsibility to take care of the family and manage its affairs properly. If we follow these principles, our worldly life will improve, and so will our hereafter. Let's all work together to follow these principles and improve our lives.